Yes, mate. What time is it?
3:45.
3:45. There we go, guys. I've been there. I think I've been down this way for a while. Oh, we've got that little bit of wind coming back now. Just been on about the wind on the other video. Look, top end by town now. Sounds a lot worse on the camera than it is. You can see the bars are open. Trying to get customers getting ready for tonight. They're allowed open till 11:30 now. And in 15 minutes we'll be able to get our Cheerios. Start that video. It's been long, long overdue. No, I'll be getting these up for today or tomorrow. I think the plan's to come back filming later on, so probably tomorrow. See how the time goes. You see, guys, a lot more people about now. Lovely to see. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Want to see more from Benidorm, have a look at the video coming up in the card next. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.